Okay, today we're going to be looking at the HOWTOOL line of stainless steel screws. There's a few very important differentiating features of these screws I'd like to talk you through. The first being the actual material of the screws, which is a stainless steel 316. Now, ordinarily when we see stainless steel fasteners or hardware, we see a stainless steel 304. But a 316 is a higher grade of stainless. It's going to be what you see on medical devices, surgical supplies, and dentist tools. So this is going to give you a much better corrosive resistance. We're going to have years, it's going to add years to the lifespan of the screws themselves. And then taking it more in detail on the actual construction, we have this self-tapping cut here on the screws. What that's going to do is going to allow us to bore much easier into the wood. And then looking at more at the head here, we've got these nibs. If those are going to show up here at the collar of the head, below the head of the screw, that's going to actually bore out the material in the wood when the screw goes in. That's going to put less pressure on the head. We're going to have much lesser occurrences of breaking at the head. And then if we look at the heads themselves, we've got a hex head for larger screw. The small ones have a Robertson or square head bit. So that's going to allow us an advantage over, say, a Phillips head. We're going to have better grab in there. We're also going to not going to bore out, not going to strip the head. Okay, and so we'll take a look inside the box here. So when we open it up, we've got the screws themselves. We've got a bit included here. We've also got a grip assist tool. So because these are stainless steel screws, we're not going to get the magnetic grip you normally have with a steel screw. So because of that, we have this tool here that's going to supplement that. So we're going to be able to grab it and use it one-handed. So it's just to start the screw in, remove it, and then go on finishing the screw without the tool. That's going to allow us to kind of get that movement. So I have one already loaded up here. And again, these are stainless screws. They're going to be really good for outdoor. They're going to be good for gates, decking, fences, things like that. So what I've got here is a piece of pressure treated redwood. So this is what you normally see on lots of decks, outdoor structures here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to take the screw, I'm going to draw it in. We'll see just how easy this goes in. Okay, and that's how easy it is. If you have any questions, please let us know.